Welcome back, everyone. I hope everyone is having a great day today. Just want to give you guys a quick Bitcoin touch point. As a reminder, this is never, ever financial advice. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Every little bit helps there, folks. Now, getting right into it, we spoke last week on Friday about this channel that we continued to kind of consolidate in, and we're going to watch some really some levels that you're going to want to really pay attention to. We're going to be getting about into that in just a little bit. Now, social media sentiment continues to be mixed across the board. We got some calling for all-time highs, while others are saying we're going down to new levels not seen for 2-3 years. So we'll pay attention to that. So let's go ahead and start off with some of the technicals. We're pulling up the fear and greed index here, folks. And as you can see, we really no major change from last week. 72 is current level, currently in greed. We're going to want to pay attention to see if we get a breakdown into neutral or if we go into extreme greed, but business as usual. Let's go ahead and pull up. Well, you know what? I was going to say let's pull up the ETF overview, but really not much there to look at until tomorrow. So we'll wait until tomorrow to bring that up there, folks. Let me go ahead and bring up the liquidation heat map here. And this is pretty interesting. You're going to want to pay attention to the consolidation of shorts that are gathering right around the 52,000 levels. I suspect we're going to see an uptick towards that, take those folks out, and we got some additional consolidation at the 5,500 levels. Now, these are levels actually that you're really going to want to pay attention to see if we get a 4-hour candle close above or below. So let's pull up the charts and let's talk about that a little bit more. So what we're taking a look at here, folks, is we're taking a look at the 4-hour candles. You can see we're kind of running in between two certain channels here, folks. And your lower level right here, we're going to want to pay attention to is that 5,500 level we talked about earlier for those folks hanging out the liquidation point. Interesting enough, right around the 52,000 level is where we have our additional liquidation of longs that are hanging out there as well. So these are the two consolidation points you're going to want to pay attention to as it correlates both to the heat map, but also potential breakdown or breakout. RSI levels are kind of normalized here at the bottom, so not much there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. And let's squeeze this out. Squeeze out the chart. RSI numbers continue to move down to Chinatown. Those moving averages continue to kind of just fall back into a normal range. We'll have to see if this trend continues or if we're going to, get some kind of movement. Really, I feel like we have an interesting week ahead of here, folks. I think we're going to have to really pay attention to see what the ETFs are doing in the market overall. That's going to really get us to where we're either moving or if we're just stagnant. I think a lot of folks right now are just sitting tight, either on the sidelines or just basically just DCAing in. And I can tell you, folks, that's what I'm doing. I can definitely tell you that I am definitely long on Bitcoin, and we'll be paying attention to the daily technicals. Now, for the short term, however, what I expect to see here today is we're going to be going ahead and trending down, and we're going to take out the longs at the 5,500 level. We're also going to go ahead and see a sway up to the 52,000. Now, I suspect that there's a greater chance that we're going to see the 52,000 area touched upon before we see a breakdown. So expect a rise up to the 52,000 levels and a retrace back into the channel where we continue to consolidate. That's kind of where we're going to want to pay attention, though, to see if we get a break up and we get above this. You're going to want to make sure you get a confirmation with a 4-hour candle or a breakdown with a 4-hour candle. Otherwise, I suspect it's just more of this in the future here, folks. So that's all I got. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. We'll be right back.